TRX400EX. We're going to be doing a seat cover today. Now look at how ugly. Well, here's the mountings. Got to remove all these. Now, look at how faded the old seat is compared to the new one. Look at this. Look how nice it matches the plastic compared to the old. It's gonna look nice. Off with 4 tracks and on with Honda. What you're gonna need: T50 staples, 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter, and T50 fastener.
That's good, huh?
So let's get to work. I'll be back. Okay, so the seat cover is done, and it was seriously the most aggravating thing I've ever done. These do not work. Heavy duty stapler, my butt. I had to go out and get an electric stapler from Harbor, China. It's a Fasten Pro. I used 5/16 staples on the corners, even ripped it. What are you doing? It's cleaning up after me. And then 1/4 inch everywhere else. The kit does come with some staples, but you should buy them off the shelf. And they're right here. 1/4 inch, 5/16. I didn't care for these staples as much, but they went in easier than the Arrow. These are what the staples look like. And if you look at the Arrow staples, they got this unbelievable bite to them, but they don't work. Seems like it says it's good for T50 staples, but they don't work. And they rip the vinyl or whatever it's made out of. Probably vinyl. So, if you guys ever have to do this and you don't have any patience, don't bother. Bring it to an upholsterer. But overall, it came out good. We'll see how it works with my fat butt on it. I put probably 100 staples in the thing, and it's just about impossible to get into these spaces here. You got my wife had to help me push the whole assembly upward in order for those staples to even go in. I probably removed more than I put in. Getting the old one off is easy, but then you got to trim around where it sits on the gas tank or the plastics. You got to trim around those. Otherwise you're going to pull on the seat every time you install onto here. That's where she locks in. So we'll see how it does. We'll take her for a rip the next time when we get that swing arm done. And I'll let you know how it is. I did put some duct tape on here and some there's duct tape and it's just like cotton. It's fiber fill, polyfill. Right here is a high spot. It's really tight right here. It's got a good inch before it hits the foam. I think that's good. So I definitely stretched it enough. But like I said, if you don't have any patience, don't bother. Please Save yourself the aggravation of doing this, because it, let's see, it's 6 p.m. now, and I started this at 2 o'clock. It's not worth it. Send it to a upholsterer. That's my opinion. If you think you can do it with a hand stapler, try it. All they do is pop right out. They don't even go into the plastic all the way. So, good luck with your projects, and like or dislike if you agree or disagree. Thank you for watching.